How to make a website. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to build a complete website that is in just a few minutes. So you don't need any coding skills or design skills. I'll just walk you through everything step by step. And at the end of this video, you'll have your very own live website. Let's get started. The first part is to launch website. Now, this is where we're going to get a new website. So to launch the website, the first step is to choose a name for your site. And to do that, just click and now domain and hosting are two things which are needed to launch your website. Domain is the name of your website, and hosting is the place where your website's files will be stored. Now, there are two hosting providers that we recommend. The first one is WebSpaceKit, and the second one is Hostinger. You can choose anyone, and if you use this coupon code, you can get a 10% discount on both platforms. In this video, I'm going to go with WebSpaceKit. So to get the domain and hosting, just scroll down and click here, and it'll take you to WebSpaceKit. Here, you can choose the hosting plan based on your needs. I'm going to choose the basic plan. Now, choose how long you want the hosting for. So I'm going to select 12 months. So once you've selected the hosting, let's add it to cart. Fill in these details. Then scroll down, enter your payment details, and click Checkout. Now we have successfully made the payment and got our hosting. Now click Continue to the client area. Here you can see that we successfully got our domain and hosting. Okay, once we got our domain and hosting, the website should now be live. So to check that, let's open a new tab. Enter the domain name, then press Enter. As you can see, the website is now live with the default design. Great, now we successfully launched our website on the name that we selected. Next, let's go to the second part, which is to build our website. To start building your website, first we need to log into our WordPress website. So to log in, just enter /login after your site's address. Press Enter, and it'll take you to this login page. Here, enter the login details. Once the site is active, you should have received an email with the WordPress login details. So just open your email, and you can see we have the username and password. Let's quickly copy these and paste them here and then click Login. So now we successfully logged into our WordPress website. Now this is the site dashboard where you can manage the entire website. Now to build a website, we are going to see two methods. The first method is to build using templates. Templates are ready-made website designs that you can use to build your website instead of building a site from scratch. So to use the templates, go to your dashboard, go to Appearance, and click on Themes. Here, click Add New Theme and search for Astra. Now let's install this theme. And once the theme is installed, click Activate, then click here, click Build with Templates. Here choose Elementor, and this will help you to edit the pages easily in the future. Now here you can see the templates listed into different categories. You can choose a template based on the type of website that you want to build. Since I'm going to build a business website, I'm going to select the business category and select agency from here. Here you'll find different templates, so choose the one you want. I'm going to select this one. Here you'll see a preview of how your website will look. Now, you can build your website manually by selecting each section using this method. So this is how you can build your website using templates. Now the thing is, it still takes some time. You need to choose a design, add pages, upload images, and adjust everything manually. So what if you could skip all those steps and have your entire website built for you in just seconds, just by describing what you need? Next, let's go to the second method, which is to build your website using an AI website builder. In this method, we're going to do 5 simple steps. The first step is to install the Website Builder plugin. This plugin makes your website development super easy. All you have to do is just describe your business, and the Website Builder will create the entire site for you with the images and the content. To install the plugin, click the link in the description and it'll take you to Gravity's website builder. Now click here, then click Download, and the plugin will be downloaded to your computer. Once you have downloaded the Website Builder plugin, next we need to install this on our website. To do that, let's go back to the WordPress dashboard here. Go to Plugins, then click here. Now click Upload Plugin. Then click Choose File. Select the plugin we just downloaded. Click Install and click Activate Plugin. Great! We successfully installed the Gravity Website Builder plugin on WordPress. Let's go to the second step, which is to connect WordPress to GravityWrite. To start building your website using the Website Builder plugin, we need to connect GravityWrite to WordPress. To do that, click Let's Get Started. Then click Continue with GravityWrite. Here, sign in using your Google account. Then click Continue. Now, as you can see, WordPress is successfully connected with GravityWrite. Next, let's move on to the third step, which is to add your website details. Now, this helps GravityWrite create the website designs and the content to match your needs. So, add the website details. First, choose the type of website that you want to build. I'm going to enter Business. Click Continue. Next, enter the website name and click Continue. Now, describe what your business is about and what your visitors need to know. You can either fill in these details manually or let AI do it by clicking Write with AI. Once you've added the details, click Continue. Now, add your contact details for your visitors to reach you easily. And once you enter the details, again, click Continue. Now, we successfully added the details of our website. Let's move on to the fourth step, which is to choose a template. You can see Gravity offers different types of templates for your website. Here, you can choose the one that suits your needs. So, I'm going to choose this template. Once you've chosen the template you want, click Continue. And here, you can check all the details you've entered. Next, let's move on to the fifth step, which is to start customizing your template. Now, to do that, here, click Start Customizing. And it'll take you to this page. As you can see, we have options to change the logo and the website font. You can also change the font style and the color of your website from here. Once you're done, click Start Building. As you can see, our homepage is built with all the content and images. You can check out how it looks. Now, to save this page, just click Keep and Next, and it'll be added to your site. Now, you can see that Gravity has suggested more pages for our website. Now, if you want to add an About Us page, just click Generate Page, and it'll be generated. Once the page is generated, you can view the page and click Keep and Next to save it. In the same way, you can generate all the pages you want. Now, if you don't want to add any page, simply click on Skip Page. And once you're done adding the pages, click on Import Selected Pages. As you can see, the website has been successfully generated. So let's check out how it looks. Just click here. As you can see, we've got a brand new website. Perfect. And now you know how to launch a website by getting a domain and hosting. Now, if you want to edit any page on your site, you just have to go into that page and click on Edit with Elementor. And now you'll go into this editing section. Let's say you want to change this text here. To do that, just click on it and enter the text you want. In the same way, you can edit all the text on your site. Next, if you want to change the image, just click here. Here, click Choose Image. And select the image you want to add. And as you can see, the image has been changed. The same way, you can change any image on your site. Once you're done with the changes, click Publish. And now, if you go back to the website, click Refresh. You can see that the changes have been updated. So now we have successfully customized our website. That's it. In this video, we learned how to make a website, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.